The liver is your body's largest detoxification factory, but when fat content exceeds 5%, this essential machinery begins to stall and its performance drops significantly. Stop searching for expensive detox supplements that promise miracles. The real secret lies in common orange vegetables and fruits found right inside your very own kitchen pantry. These humble foods are packed with powerful natural compounds called carotenoids and glutathione, which are scientifically proven to help flush out fat and repair damaged liver cells. Today, we will analyze exactly how these three specific orange superfoods work to sweep away liver fat and restore your internal health using the most advanced scientific mechanisms. Understanding how your body processes these nutrients is the first step toward recovery. Let's dive deep into the biology of liver restoration and the power of food. We are going to explore the unique properties of carrots, pumpkins, and papayas. Each one plays a specific role in cleansing your system and boosting cellular regeneration. From the way you prepare them to the specific time you eat them, every detail matters for maximizing the bioavailability of these life-saving, liver-repairing, natural plant compounds. Get ready to transform your health as we reveal the science of the orange shield. Your journey to a cleaner, leaner, and healthier liver starts right here today. Carrots are a primary source of beta-carotene, which your liver converts into vitamin A to build a protective shield against the daily onslaught of harmful free radicals. Beyond just vitamins, carrots contain high levels of glutathione, a master protein that acts like a magnet, pulling toxins out of your blood and neutralizing them safely. To unlock these benefits, proper preparation is key. Raw carrots have tough cell walls that lock in nutrients, making them difficult for your digestive system to process fully. Steaming your carrots for exactly 5 minutes softens these cellular walls without destroying the heat-sensitive enzymes, significantly increasing the absorption rate of the vital beta-carotene. Adding a few drops of healthy fat, like olive oil, is crucial because carotenoids are fat-soluble. This allows them to enter your bloodstream and reach your liver. Many people make the mistake of juicing carrots and discarding the pulp. This removes the essential fiber and leaves behind concentrated sugar that can actually stress your liver. Sudden influx of liquid fructose and glucose triggers insulin spikes, which can force the liver to store even more fat instead of burning it away efficiently. Carrots specifically support phase 2 detoxification. This is the stage where your liver converts fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble ones so they can be excreted from the body. By eating carrots regularly, you provide the raw materials needed for your liver to produce its own internal antioxidants, strengthening its defense against chemical and environmental damage. The texture is soft, the flavor is naturally sweet, and your liver will thank you for the steady supply of glutathione that keeps your internal factory running smoothly. The insoluble fiber in whole carrots also binds to bile acids in the gut, forcing the liver to use up excess cholesterol to produce more bile daily. Remember, the goal is gentle heating. Overcooking carrots until they are mushy can destroy the very nutrients we are trying to preserve for our liver health. Pairing carrots with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro further enhances the detoxifying effect, as these greens also support kidney function and heavy metal removal. Always follow this simple formula for your carrots to ensure that every bite you take is working actively to repair and protect your precious liver cells. This cellular shield prevents toxins from penetrating the liver's delicate structure, reducing inflammation and preventing the progression of fatty liver disease into more serious conditions. You will notice the color becomes more vibrant after steaming. This is a visual indicator that the carotenoids are now more accessible for your body to absorb. Whether in a salad or as a side dish, carrots are the most accessible and affordable tool in your arsenal for fighting liver fat and toxic buildup. Consistently, including this root vegetable in your diet creates a cumulative effect, slowly but surely scrubbing away the fat that has accumulated over many years of neglect. So, grab some carrots on your next grocery trip. It is the cheapest insurance policy you can buy for your liver's long-term health and vitality. Next, we have the mighty pumpkin. Beyond its seasonal popularity, pumpkin is a nutritional powerhouse that serves as a physical shield for your liver's delicate tissues. Pumpkin is rich in compounds that support the production of nitric oxide, a gas that helps dilate blood vessels within the liver, improving essential nutrient delivery. This increased blood flow is vital for repairing areas of the liver that have become stiff or scarred, allowing the body to naturally heal damaged sections. When preparing pumpkin, try to leave a thin layer of the skin. This area contains the highest concentration of cobalt and other bioactive minerals that protect liver cells. We are making a specialized liver recovery soup. Instead of using saturated fat-heavy coconut milk, we use raw cashews to provide a creamy texture and healthy proteins. Avoid adding salt, as excess sodium causes water retention and puts pressure on the liver. Use dried herbs to enhance the flavor while keeping your blood pressure stable. The smooth texture of pumpkin soup makes it very easy to digest, ensuring that your liver doesn't have to work hard to process the meal's nutritional content. Pumpkin provides slow starch, which releases energy gradually. This prevents the sugar spikes that lead to de novo lipogenesis, the process where the liver creates new fat. The cobalt found in pumpkin is a rare but essential mineral. It helps the liver metabolize fats and prevents the infiltration of lipids into the liver's parenchyma. However, a word of caution: pumpkin is very high in potassium. If you have advanced kidney issues along with liver disease, please consult your doctor regarding portions. For most people, this potassium is beneficial, helping to flush out excess sodium and reduce the swelling often associated with an overworked and inflamed liver system. This soup is a perfect healing meal. It combines fiber, healthy fats from cashews, and the regenerative power of pumpkin into one delicious and simple daily bowl. Don't throw away the seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, which is essential for over 300 enzymatic reactions in the liver, including alcohol metabolism. You can also roast pumpkin with a touch of cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, providing a double-action benefit for those struggling with metabolic syndrome and fatty liver. Think of pumpkin as a physical barrier. Its unique polysaccharides help coat the liver cells, making it harder for fat droplets to take hold and cause damage. Because pumpkin is high in fiber, remember to drink plenty of water. This helps the fiber move through your system, carrying away the toxins your liver has processed. Studies have shown that regular pumpkin consumption can significantly lower C-reactive protein levels, which is a key marker of systemic and hepatic inflammation in the body. Embracing the power of pumpkin means giving your liver the structural support it needs to rebuild itself from the inside out, one cell at a time. Now that we have covered carrots and pumpkins, let's move on to the tropical superstar that acts as the ultimate fat sweeper for your digestive and hepatic system. The ripe papaya is more than just a delicious fruit. It is a medicinal tool. It contains a unique combination of enzymes and antioxidants that target stored fat. Papaya is the only source of the enzyme papain. This enzyme works like a pair of biological scissors, breaking down difficult proteins and fats before they reach the liver. By improving digestion in the stomach and intestines, papain significantly reduces the toxic workload on the liver, allowing it to focus on cleaning its own internal fat. When choosing a papaya, look for fruit that is mostly orange but still has a few green specks. This just ripe stage contains the highest level of active enzymes. Avoid papayas that are overly mushy or bruised. The fermentation process in overripe fruit can create alcohols that, while minor, are not ideal for a healing liver. A pro tip is to squeeze some fresh lemon juice over your papaya. The vitamin C in lemon activates the papain enzyme, making it much more potent for digestion. Papaya is also rich in cryptoxanthin. This specific carotenoid is particularly effective at reducing the chronic inflammation that often precedes the development of liver cirrhosis and fibrosis. Portion control is essential. While healthy, papaya contains fructose. Limit your intake to about 150 grams per serving to avoid overwhelming your liver's sugar metabolism. Eating papaya as part of your breakfast is an excellent strategy. It kickstarts your digestion for the day and provides a steady supply of liver-cleansing enzymes and vitamins. Did you know that eating just 5 to 10 papaya seeds can help kill intestinal parasites? A clean gut means fewer toxins entering the liver through the portal vein. The combination of fiber and papain acts like a biological special forces team, sweeping away cellular debris and excess lipids that clog up your liver's filtration system. Always store your cut papaya in an airtight container in the fridge. This prevents the delicate enzymes from oxidizing and losing their effectiveness before you can eat them. When your liver is clean, your skin will show it. The carotenoids in papaya help clear up liver spots and give your complexion a healthy, natural orange-golden glow. The real power comes when you combine all three: carrot cleanses, pumpkin protects, and papaya sweeps. Together, they form a complete system for total hepatic restoration. Imagine your liver becoming lighter and more efficient every day just by making these simple fruit and vegetable choices at your local market or grocery store. Even papaya leaves have benefits, often used in teas to support blood health. This fruit is truly a gift from nature for anyone looking to heal their body. Be creative with your meals. Mix these 3 ingredients into your weekly routine to ensure your liver receives a constant stream of these powerful healing orange compounds. Consistency is the secret ingredient. One meal won't fix years of damage, but a lifetime of these. Habits will ensure your liver stays youthful and incredibly resilient. The path to a healthy liver is paved with the bright, vibrant colors of nature. Choose orange, and you are choosing a longer, more energetic, and healthier life. To summarize your strategy, start your morning with papaya, have a carrot salad for lunch, and enjoy a warm pumpkin soup for a light and healing dinner. Repeat this orange-focused menu 3 to 4 times a week. This frequency allows your liver to maintain a steady state of detoxification and cellular repair throughout the month. Remember, liver recovery is not a 100-meter sprint. It is a marathon. Real biological change takes time, usually showing significant results after about 3 months of consistency. Do not be discouraged if you don't feel different overnight. Focus on the consistency of your choices as the internal scrubbing and healing happen deep within your cells. Combine this diet with gentle movement and stress management. Stress hormones like cortisol can interfere with liver metabolism, so keeping a calm mind supports your physical healing. Cut back on processed salts and refined sugars. These are the enemies of your liver and will counteract the hard work that carrots, pumpkins, and papayas are doing. You have the power to change your health starting today. Your liver is incredibly resilient and has an amazing capacity to regenerate if you give it the right tools. If you found this scientific analysis helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your loved ones. Let's build a healthier community together. Take care of your liver before it starts complaining. It works silently for you every single day, so give it the orange protection it truly deserves for life. Thank you for watching our deep dive into liver health. We wish you a vibrant journey toward wellness. Stay healthy, stay orange, and we'll see you next time.